how to download an Equifax credit report. Here's what you want to do. Go search to download Equifax report, scroll down, and you want to click on this website, get a free credit report, Equifax. Now it's going to show us this. You can either go to this website, annual credit report, or you can get your credit report with My Equifax. Click on get started here, which is going to load up a new page, which is going to ask for your first name, last name, date of birth, social security number or ITIN, and your mobile phone number. In the second field, you will need to provide your address, city, state, zip code, and confirm that you're not a robot. Afterwards, you have to create an account, verify your account, confirm your account, and on the left, you will get credit report. If you already have an account, you will click on sign in here, which is going to take you to the My Equifax page. Here you want to log in with your username or email address, and on the left hand side you will have credit report. Click on credit report, then here you will see download, and you just want to download your credit report in PDF format. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.